Go.
All right, we are finishing out this week. We have our last project for Winter Wonderland. We're gonna make our sledding scene. Okay, all right, sort everything out. See this? Parents, you might want to hide it. It's up to you.
You're right.
Don't have to use it. We'll do that last. Okay, so you need all of the things laid out, and then you need your glue. All right, then you have this wonderful plate here, and you have a slit. All right, look at the way it's laying. Does that look like it's going downhill?
No.
No. Does that?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you find out which way it looks like it's going downhill, lay it in front of you. Okay, so mine would look like this in front of me. Okay, you want it to look like it's going downhill. All right, and then you have some pieces that we're gonna fit together like a puzzle without going over top of the slit. Okay, so you should have 3 pieces that look like this. Okay, does it fit like that? Not really. So make it fit. Once you have them all lined up like this, we're gonna flip them back over, put some glue on it, and put it right back down. All right, snowflakes obviously in the sky, white on the bottom. Do not glue shut the little slit. All right, I'm gonna do my white first. I'm gonna flip it over. Sorry, put it out of your range.
No,
okay,
you're good.
Put some glue on it, and then lay it right back down, right under that slit, okay? And then, let's see, let me do the stars, the snowflakes in the night sky next. Okay, same thing, right above that slit. And then the last piece, okay, like that. I'm gonna flip it over. All right, so this is kind of what the background looks like. Okay, we didn't close our slit, it's still open. We're gonna take our houses next and arrange them. You can arrange them wherever you want, just don't put them on top of the slit. We're gonna need our slit, okay? You can put some down, you can put some up. I think I'm gonna probably glue mine something like this, okay? But you glue however you want, put them wherever you want. All right, so let me put some glue. Put some more glue. And last one. Put it somewhere right in there.
There we go.
All right, and now take your popsicle stick. If you want, you can color the stick white.
That's up to
you
you.
don't have to.
Yep.
It's you're just gonna put some glue right at the top, and then you are going to attach our little penguin sledders. Okay? Now, parents, this part is up to you. That wonderful cookie sheet that you've been using all week, because some of these are a little messy, you can pull out. You can sit this in front of or on top of the cookie sheet. Totally optional. Put some glue all on the white. And then, gotta make it look like snow, right?
Gotta add some glittery, snowy confetti. Look at that. It adds such a cool element to this, but it is messy. It is messy, but it's
If you
awesome.
do it over the cookie sheet,
Yep, it kind of contains it.
kind of contains it.
Yep.
All right, when you're done, just kind of do one of these numbers.
Shake off the
and
excess.
then, yeah,
Yep.
and then dump it in the trash can. All right.
There you go.
All right. Once it is dry, then your kids can put the popsicle right in there. And then we have our little sledding scene. What do you think?
So adorable. It's
like
so cute.
I love it. So cute. Going down the mountain. All right, you guys. That is the last project for this week. I hope you have had fun. I'll see you next time. Bye, you guys.